Brigit is a cash advance app designed to help you get quick access to funds without the typical headaches of late fees or credit checks. Whether you need a little extra to cover an unexpected expense or to avoid overdraft fees, Brigit offers an easy and fast way to get cash. When you sign up, you can connect your primary checking account, and once approved, you can request an advance of up to $250. The great thing is that there are no credit checks involved, which means that even if you have less than perfect credit, you can still get access to the cash you need. They also don't charge late fees, which is a huge bonus if you're someone who sometimes needs a little extra time to pay things back. If you need more time, they offer free extensions as long as you apply for them at least 2 business days before your due date. It's designed to be stress-free so you won't get penalized if life happens. When it comes to the speed of delivery, you have two options. You can either pay a small fee to get your cash instantly within about 20 minutes, or choose the free option, which delivers within 2 to 3 business days. It's nice to have the flexibility to choose depending on how urgent your need is. If you're a little more patient, the free option is just as reliable and still pretty quick. Plus, the app allows you to track your spending, helping you manage your finances and avoid potential future overdrafts. Brigit even offers a built-in feature to build your credit for just $1 a month, which can help you improve your financial health over time. However, there are a few things to consider before jumping in. To access the cash advance, you'll need to subscribe to one of their paid plans. The basic plan doesn't include the cash advance feature, so you'll need to pay $8.99 per month for the Plus plan, or $14.99 per month for the Premium plan to access the express delivery feature and additional benefits. If you're only occasionally needing an advance, these costs might seem a bit high, but if you frequently find yourself in need of quick cash, the convenience might be worth it. It's also worth noting that the amount you can get depends on your financial history, so not everyone will qualify for the maximum $250. Most people are eligible for advances between $50 and $100, but that's tailored to your specific needs based on things like income, spending habits, and account history. In conclusion, Brigit is a solid tool for those who need cash quickly with no credit checks and no late fees. Its ability to help you avoid overdrafts, build credit, and provide cash advances makes it a valuable tool for managing short-term financial stress, but you'll want to consider the monthly subscription fees if you're not planning to use the service regularly. If you do need regular access to quick cash, the app offers a straightforward and stress-free solution.